Hey, hello everyone. Myself Vaibhav Thombre and I am from Permani. So my today's topic is about technical. So my topic is on the Spring Core Framework. So let's start it. So in the Spring Core Framework, it is the foundation of the popular Spring Framework, which was provides a comprehensive programming and a configuration model for a modern Java-based enterprise application. So in that, it simplifies the development of Java application by offering a robust framework for building loosely coupled, scalable, and maintainable software. Some of in that the depth explaining of the Spring Core framework is extremely deeply, and it is very convenient in this generation. So the Spring framework is a open source Java platform that offers solution for enterprise application development. Offers solutions for enterprise application development. It supports a wide range of application architecture and it's modular in that its design. So at its heart is the Spring Core module, which provides the foundation that was a feature such as a dependency injection, inversion of control, and this core concept that can helps to convert the managed object dependency and configuration, allowing application to be more modular, testable, and maintainable. So in Spring Core framework, it was all it depends on its dependency and its annotation classes. So there are some key concept which was the Spring framework was depend. So firstly, we can discuss about the inversions of control that was also called IOC. IOC is a design principle where the control of object that was created, in that the configuration and the life cycle is handed over to the framework instead of being managed manually by the programmer. So in Spring, this is actually using the IOC container, which is responsible for initiation objects, that is also called beans, wiring dependencies between beans, managing the life cycles of beans. That was all total about in that. So the next one was the dependency injection. It was the most important topic of the Spring framework. In that, it is also called as DI. DI means the dependency injection. It is a specific implementation for a IOC which allows to container to inject dependency to the other beans into bean, typically via constructor injection. In that, the dependencies are provided through a constructor. So in that, the setter injection, in this the dependency are set to using setter methods. In that, some field injections. In that, the dependencies are injected directly into the field using some annotations. So the components of the Spring framework, that is firstly we called bean. A bean is an object that was managed by the all Springboard IOC container. It is a key that concept in Spring as the all object in a Spring applications that was defined as a beans. So especially the beans are declared as the XML configuration files. So in that, the Java based configuration classes that have some component scanning with the annotations. So in that, the most important point, that was a bin factory. In that, the bin factory is the basic of the IOC container in a Spring. It is a lightweight and suitable for simple application which provides such as the lazy initialization of builds. It was have depends on the dependency resolution, and after that the application contains. The application contains is a more advanced container built on the top of the bin factory, and it offers some additional features such as event propagation. It was internationalization supports the integration with the enterprise service like a JMDI and EJB, such as some common implementations of the application contains that include some class path application contains, such as it can loads the beans from an XML files in the class path. So the annotation config application contains that was used Java annotation for configuration. So the configuration in Spring Core, mainly the XML based configuration. The XML core configuration, it was in earlier version of the Spring. The XML was the primary way to the define beans and their dependency. So the next one was annotation based configuration. So the annotation simply the configuration by allowing metadata to place directly in the Java code. The common annotation includes such as the @component, @attire. The next was the @qualifier, and after that some Java based configuration, such as it was introduced in the Spring version 3.0, that have the approach to allows the configuration using such a Spring Boot's core work. So it was the all about the Spring core work. Thank you.